my channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through my laundry routine. I do laundry every single day, and that way I make sure that all of my laundry is done most of the time. I use Persil laundry detergent, and I use dryer balls, and for my towels, my sheets, and my curtains, I also use a Downy um, fabric softener. So I do the laundry very first thing in the morning, right after my workout. Usually my dryer is empty because that is one of my children's chores, so they have to empty the dryer every night. So that way it's nice and empty for me. And then I fold any laundry that's hanging, and I put it away, take it to my kids' rooms or to my bedroom. They're responsible for putting their own clothes away, and I put our clothes away. Now, if you watched my video, my linen closet organization video, I will link it at the end. You could see how I divide my laundry hamper. I have a hamper with 4 sections, and each of them is labeled darks, lights, towels, delicates, or whatnot. And the kids are responsible on separating the laundry into there. If it's not in the hamper, it doesn't get washed. It's plain and simple. I do my sheets on Mondays, and then the rest of the laundry is as needed. Usually there's 2 loads of darks during the week, and then load of uniforms. I usually do my rags on Sundays, and then towels usually 2 to 3 times a week. And then delicates, sometimes I don't do that every single week, because sometimes there's nothing, or sometimes there's just one item. So if there's just one item, I really try not to wash it unless it's absolutely necessary, but I usually wait to have 3 or 4 items before I run the delicate cycle. Once I'm done doing the laundry, I try to clean up the counter, and then I move on and I put the laundry away. I put laundry away every single morning where it needs to go, whether it's the towels are put away unfolded, or if it's my clothes, my husband's clothes, I put them away. That way I never ever have a pile up of laundry that needs to be put away. It hasn't always been like this. This is a system that I implemented about 2 years ago, and it has worked out really well. And I have to say, I never have a backlog of laundry. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're new, I would love for you to subscribe and hit that bell button so you don't miss out any of my videos. And until next time, have a wonderful day.